friends, my name is Yash and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video topic is how to install Tomcat server in Amazon Linux. Okay, so let's start the video. So first of all, what is this Tomcat? Okay, so Tomcat is just a web server and it is mostly used to run Java web applications, and Apache Tomcat is free and open source. Okay, so let's start the video. So first of all, I will open my AWS account, and I already create this EC2 instance named Tomcat server. Okay, I will click here to show the configurations of EC2 instance. So I select this T3 micro instance. Okay, I will zoom in also. Here I select the T3 micro instance. So T3 micro instance will give us 2 GB of RAM. So it will sufficient for us to install the Tomcat. Okay, so that's why I select this T3 micro. Okay. Now I will connect this EC2 instance with my terminal. Okay, so I will click here and select running. Copy this and connect. I will select this as client. So now copy this command, open your terminal. Okay, change your directory and stop. I'm just changing my directory because my key pair is here on desktop. That's why I change my directory. Okay, so paste this command. Now copy this command for SSH purpose. Copy and paste it here. I will type yes. Now our Amazon Linux machine is now running. Okay, so first of all, I just type sudo su. Now I become a root user of this instance. So copy this command and paste it here. Now this command will install Java. Okay, Java 1.8.0. It will take some time, so we want to wait for this. Now it's done. Okay, so copy this command to see the version of Java. So Java version is OpenJDK version 1.8.0. Okay, now we want to go to the Tomcat documentation. Okay, I select this Tomcat 9. Okay, so copy this tar file. Okay, tar file link address. Okay, so copy this and come to your terminal. Now write wget and paste this link. Okay, now enter. Okay, our zip file is installed. Now we want to unzip this tar file, so we write tar xvf and copy this tar file name, copy and paste here. Now it will unzip this tar file. Okay, now write ls. Now we want to just change directory. Now Apache, hit tab and click enter. Now type ls and we want to change this directory. We want to open this bin folder. So I will type cd bin, click enter. Now type ls and we want to start this Tomcat server. So we write /startup and hit tab and click on enter. Okay, now our Tomcat is started. Okay, I will zoom it. Our Tomcat is started. Okay, so we want to just go to our instance and select that instance. Okay, select this instance and copy this command, this public IP address, and colon 8080. Okay, hit enter. So it will open our Apache Tomcat main dashboard. Okay, so this is the way to install our Tomcat server in Amazon Linux or any Linux machine. Okay, so that was it for today's video. If you like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel and comment down below, and I will share this all the commands to in my description box, so you can use this command for install this Tomcat server. So that was it for today's video, and I will see you in next video. Okay, and thanks for watching.